Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with a little share. I did a pocket letter swap with Patti, and she's here on YouTube as Life with Patti, and I will link her YouTube channel in the description box below so you can go and check her out. How's it, Patti? Oh, I'm so excited to get this. So let's see. I didn't even open it yet. Okay, that's enough. Oh, she put some other. Oh, look at the goodies. Thank you. Oh, look at this. How cute. Aw, she got some puppy. These are the cutest. Sorry, there's a glare. Oh, and she gifted me some ribbon. Aw, this is a cute bag. Sorry for the crinkle, but that's how it goes. Oh my goodness. Oh, sorry, and my dog. Hold on a second. Now he's gonna try to want to come back in here that I've let him out. Oh. Anyway, oh my gosh, look at how cute this bag is. Let me see, how can I, oh, here's a card. There, can you see the image? So cute. Love these. I'll have to reuse them. Thank you. Hi, look at how cute. Oh, and she put some farm animals on the front. Happy Easter. Maka, thinking of you and the happiness you bring. Oh, thank you. Hope you like the pocket letter. I know I will. Yes, we should do another swap as soon as this crazy world does settle down. I agree. I agree. Thank you so much, Patti. But see, okay, back to the trim she sent. Look how pretty the ribbon is. So spring. I love this gold cording. Gold cording. Oh, thank you. And then another one of those packages. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, look, some flags. Flag picks. And then some Easter stickers. How cute. And they're dimensional too. They're like the puffy stickers. These are like foam ones. Love them. So cute. I don't have too much Easter stuff. Not as much as, you know, like Valentine's or Christmas or Halloween for sure. Oh, thanks. So this is good because Memorial Day, 4th of July is coming up. Thank you. Look at how pretty these Jolie stickers are. Man, it's hot here today in Arizona. It's Monday and we're in the low to mid 80s for the last week or so. And the thing of it is this is our like so super nice time to be outdoors that because of the virus, I think we're gonna miss like the best times of our year, the best season of our year, because the heat will be on by May. Look, in this organza bag, she's got a bunch of flower cut aparts. Wow, thank you. Love it, love it, love it. You can use these as scatter. You can layer them, add them to cards, scrapbook pages. Oh, I don't have any of these. Thank you for the foam. Foam eggy, foam bunny. Okay, now let's get into the main attraction. Look. Oh, this is the back. Just make sure there's no... Yeah, she's from Cali. Okay. I think this is the back. It is the back. Look, it's so springy. I love it. Look at this tassel with all the different fibers and trim. Oh, I love it. I like running my hand through the tassels. It feels so soothing with all the different textures. Aw, but look at her pocket letter. How springy. Oh, I love this sheep. It's like I don't know, sticker. Is it sticker paper or plastic? It's pretty cool. Look at the bunny with his little puffy tail. And I love this rose. Did you make this rose? It's very Belle-ish. I like that these are raised and the silver part is raised. And then look at the trim she used at the bottom. So cute. So it's made by Life with Patti, and like I said, I'm gonna leave her link to her YouTube channel in the description box below so you guys can go check her out. This felt bunny, oh, so pretty. And then I like this washi she used on the side. Aw, thank you so much, Patti. I'm gonna add this to my binder. I just love the colors. Well, I just wanted to thank you guys for being here. Don't forget, I am hosting I'm hosting a something. I am hosting a 300 subby giveaway. You can find that on one of my past videos. And then, it's very simple. Just leave a comment on the video. I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers. I'm glad you're here to join me along this journey. And I hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy and staying... How rude, I just got cut off. But so I just hope you guys are staying healthy and staying safe and staying home. So until the next video, stay crafty people and shakas.